According to a survey, the revenue in the NFT market across the world is projected to reach $1,601.0 million in 2023. It is further expected to show an annual growth rate, CAGR 2023 to 2027, of 18.55%, resulting in a projected total amount of $3,162.0 million by 2027. Furthermore, the number of users in the NFT market is expected to reach 19.31 million by 2027. Well, these stats are enough to prove a point that launching your own Metaverse NFT, non-fungible token, marketplace can prove to be a win-win strategy. But launching the same involves creating a platform where users can buy, sell, and trade unique digital assets within the virtual world. This video will present you with key steps to successfully launch your own Metaverse NFT marketplace. Step 1. Conceptualize your marketplace. Be clear about the unique aspects of your Metaverse NFT marketplace. Consider the theme, user experience, and any special features that set your platform apart from others. Step 2. Choose a blockchain. Select a blockchain that supports NFTs. Ethereum is a popular choice, but other blockchains like Binance Smart Chain, Flow, or Polygon also offer solid NFT capabilities. Also take into account factors like security, scalability, and transaction costs. Step 3. Smart contract development. Develop smart contracts that define the standards for your NFTs. Common standards include ERC 721 for unique tokens or ERC 1155 for a combination of unique and fungible tokens. Step 4. User wallet integration. Enable users to connect their digital wallets to your platform. This allows them to securely store and manage their NFTs. It will be good to consider compatibility with popular wallet providers like MetaMask. Step 5. User-friendly interface. Design an intuitive and visually appealing user interface within the Metaverse environment. Users must be able to easily navigate the marketplace, view NFT collections, and participate in transactions. Step 6. Metadata and storage. Implement a reliable system for storing NFT metadata. This information typically includes details about the digital asset, such as its title, description, and creator. You can consider decentralized storage solutions to enhance security. Step 7. Community building. Foster a community around your Metaverse NFT marketplace. Utilize social media, forums, and other channels to engage with users, showcase featured NFTs, and build anticipation for upcoming releases. Step 8. Legal compliance. Make sure your platform complies with relevant regulations, especially concerning intellectual property rights and user data protection. Seek legal advice to navigate the evolving legal landscape of the NFT market. Step 9. Launch and marketing. Develop a strategy and launch your Metaverse NFT marketplace. Leverage marketing channels to create awareness, attract artists and collectors, and encourage participation in the ecosystem. Step 10. Maintain and upgrade. Continuously monitor and improve your platform based on user feedback and technological advancements. Regular updates and improvements will enhance the overall user experience and keep your marketplace competitive. Well, by carefully considering these steps, you can successfully launch your own Metaverse NFT marketplace. Last, but not least, remember to stay attuned to market trends and user preferences to ensure the ongoing success and growth of your platform within the dynamic NFT space. Still, carry some doubts? Click the link given below in the description for expert advice.